Smeg Speedwave technology allows effective and even defrosting, reheating and cooking of food. Rather than using a microwave that pulses on and off, the Speedwave technology creates a consistent and controllable microwave cooking environment, therefore reducing hotspots that are often associated with microwave cooking. The quality of the food is maintained, particularly when reheating, so it tastes more like the first time when you cooked it. The Speedwave Microwave technology allows you to soften butter, which is perfect for that moment you want to bake straight away. Place it onto the shelf, and then using the automatic program, select the soften cycle, which will then choose the perfect microwave wattage and the perfect time. And even have ice cream ready to scoop in minutes. Also melt chocolate without the risk of burning or the requirement to stir. The Smeg Speedwave technology is available in a selection of different sizes, from full size to compact appliances, and there's also a design aesthetic to suit your individual kitchen.